Are you interested in owning a property here in Kigali? Well, this video is for you because today we are going to tour this beautiful house here in Kicukiro Kagarama, Muyange, which is only 2 million Rwandan francs with a slight of negotiation. And it's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, kitchen, dining area, and also living space. As you can see, we also have a parking space. So we are going to go inside and see what this beautiful house has to offer. So as you know, we start from outside showing our neighborhood very fast. And here we had another space before we get inside our compound. You can see this neighborhood is really growing very fast. You will have great time staying in this area. So this is our space. As you are going inside like this, we have our parking space which can fit up to 2 or 3 cars if they are packed well. And you can see that we have beautiful plants on the side. From here we have a very beautiful plants that shows the beauty of our house. And also coming on this side, we also have beautiful plants that brings out the beauty of our side. If you continue going this way, you are going to the back side of this house, but we want to go inside, so we are going to go from here and then go all around the house and show you how it is. Starting from here, we have a very nice place where you can put some seat, and then you will sit here as you are talking to your spouse or family members. And here we have big doors, glass doors that welcomes us inside our house, and they bring enough light inside our living space. So come inside and I'll show you how it is. Welcome. So this is our living area. As you can see, it's really spacious where you can put different seats and you have a great time. We have a very beautiful ceiling, a very beautiful lighting, and also here we have plugs where you can plug your TV, and then you can put your TV stand and also your TV on this side. So from here we have this big opening that brings us to our dining area and also the kitchen. And here we have our dining space where you can put 6 to 8 seats, and then you enjoy your time with your family. Very enough light on this side, and also here we have enough cabinets where you can put different things in case you want to put them on this side. And here behind we have our kitchen, but you can see we have that enough space here. You can put some ornaments here, and then you will have very good design. And also on this side we have another cabinet where you can put wines, glass, everything you want to show off. And also here we come to the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen. On this side we have where you can put your fridge and also your wines. We have a very nice countertop, enough cabinet. If I tell you enough cabinet, believe me, because here we have enough cabinet where you can put your dishes, food, everything you want to put in the kitchen. Here is where to put your stove. And also the good thing is you can serve the food to the dining area from here. You can put your food here and then someone will take them, or you can go back and take them from here. You can also close it in case you want some privacy of your kitchen, just like this. You can see our kitchen is quite big enough. We have a sink where you can wash your dishes and all of that. And another thing is we have a pantry on this side where you can put some things in the kitchen, and you can also use it as a store room. So from here it brings us outside area where we have, where your housekeeper can sleep, where your kids can play and all of that. Kitchen outside. And if you come this way, we have bathrooms and also where someone can stay up there. Can you see? It's really, really beautiful. We also have where you can hang your clothes all the way here, and your kids can be playing here. And here we also have a water tap where you can use from outside. If you go this way, you are going back to another area of the house. Also, you can use that one to go back to the parking area. Let me show you the bedrooms. So now we are going to check the bedrooms. As I told you, we have 3 bedrooms. So we are going to check the first one, which is the guest bedroom on this side. So when you enter like this, we have a bathroom and also the bedroom, which is closed in case you want some privacy and want to use the bathroom. This is how the bathroom is. It's quite big enough. And here we have the shower heads. Here we have a toilet seat, a sink on this side, and also a very nice mirror and a more than one, as you can see, like this. So let me show you how the bedroom is. So if you come on this side, like this, we have a wardrobe where your guests can put their clothes and all of that. And here we have the bedroom. Come with me. This is how the bedroom is. And the good thing is it also has its own wardrobe on this side. Can you believe it? Yes, it has its own wardrobe. So we are going to check another two bedrooms that share one bathroom. Let me show you. So on this side, we are going to check two bedrooms that share one bathroom. Come with me. So on this side, this is one of the bedroom. Here, as you can see, it's quite nice, and it also has big windows that brings in enough natural light from outside. And here we have wardrobes that have enough cabinets here and also on the top. And here we have the bathroom that this bedroom and also this one they share together. Come with me. So this is the bathroom that they share together. This is where you can take a shower. This is a toilet seat, a sink, and also a mirror on this side. So let me show you the second bedroom. uh, this is the second bedroom that they share the same bathroom. So this is how it is. As you can see, it's also big as the same other bedroom and has enough light that gets in. And here we have wardrobes with enough cabinets here, down there, and also on the top. So we are going to see the main bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Come with me. Welcome to the master bedroom. As you come like this, we have the bathroom on this side, which is really, really beautiful. Look at this sink with a very beautiful design. Here we have where they will be taking the shower. These are the shower heads. And here we have our toilet seat on this side and a very beautiful cabinet with our mirror on the side and all of that. And you can see that this is the sink you can use. Here is the bedroom. Come inside. Ta-da! This is how our bedroom is. It's quite big enough, as you can see. Yes, it's really big, and it also have very big ceiling design that brings in very beautiful lighting. And here we have our wardrobe, which is really, really big, because from all the way there all the way here it's only the wardrobe. And here we have a vanity table where your spouse can be sitting and doing their beauty stuff. So from there we come out at this beautiful balcony of the master bedroom. Yes, in case you want some privacy with your spouse, you can come out here, sit, talk, relax, and say something that with your family. And from here, you can go back to the parking area because it's out there. Yes, this is how it is. Yes, we are done touring this beautiful house, which is for sale. And to remind you, is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, dining area, sitting room, and also a very nice kitchen. And it's only on 200 million Rwandan francs with a slight of negotiation here in Kicukiro Kagarama, Muyange to be precise. So if you want to own this property, reach us into the comment section, or you can reach us out on the information in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Cynthia, and I will see you next time.